Imagine standing beneath a starlit sky, gazing upward, when suddenly a speck of light streaks across the heavens, moving faster than anything you've ever seen. It's not a comet, not an asteroid, not anything familiar. It's something else entirely, something that might not belong to our cosmic neighborhood. On July 1st, 2025, astronomers around the world caught their breath as they tracked such an object, officially named 3I Atlas by the NASA-funded Atlas Survey. This interstellar visitor, the size of Manhattan Island, is tearing through our solar system at a staggering 130,000 miles per hour, a speed that could take you from New York to Los Angeles in just over a minute. But speed is only the beginning of this story. 3I Atlas is following a trajectory so precise, so perfectly orchestrated that it seems to defy the chaos of the cosmos. It's as if this massive object is on a guided tour, visiting Mars, Earth, Venus, and Jupiter in a sequence that feels almost intentional. Could this be humanity's first confirmed encounter with an alien spacecraft? Or are we staring into the abyss of a cosmic coincidence so rare it challenges everything we know about the universe? Buckle up, because this is a story that will grip you, thrill you, and leave you questioning our place in the stars. And if you're as captivated as we are, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to dive deeper into the mysteries of the universe. The discovery of 3I Atlas sent shockwaves through the astronomical community. Detected by the ATLAS survey, a network of telescopes designed to spot near-Earth objects, this interstellar interloper was unlike anything we'd seen before. Most objects in our solar system, comets, asteroids, even spacecraft, move in predictable orbits, bound by the sun's gravitational embrace. But 3I Atlas, it's a rebel, racing through our cosmic backyard with such velocity that not even the sun's massive pull can hold it. At 130,000 miles per hour, it's 3 times faster than Voyager 1, humanity's swiftest spacecraft, which crawls along at a mere 38,000 miles per hour. This speed alone is enough to make your head spin, but it's the sheer scale of 3I Atlas that truly boggles the mind. Picture this, an object 6 to 9 miles across, roughly the size of Manhattan Island, hurtling through space. To put that into perspective, compare it to Oumuamua, the first confirmed interstellar object we spotted back in 2017. Oumuamua was about 330 to 380 feet long, impressive but a mere speck next to 3I Atlas. If Oumuamua was a football field, 3I Atlas is a city. Natural processes in space can create big objects, sure, but launching something this massive across interstellar distances, keeping it intact for thousands of years, and propelling it at such mind-bending speeds. That's where things get weird. The physics involved are staggering. In the vast, cold emptiness of interstellar space, there aren't many natural forces capable of accelerating a mountain-sized object to these velocities. Gravitational slingshots from massive stars or black holes might explain it, but the odds of such an object surviving a journey spanning thousands of light years are vanishingly small. As astronomers scrambled to make sense of this cosmic giant, one question loomed larger than the object itself. Is 3I Atlas a natural phenomenon? Or could it be something more? Harvard professor Avi Loab, a respected astronomer with decades of experience studying black holes and distant galaxies, looked at the data and dropped a bombshell. He proposed that 3I Atlas might not be a rock or a comet at all. It could be humanity's first confirmed encounter with extraterrestrial technology. The idea is as thrilling as it is terrifying. If Loab is right, we're not just looking at a cosmic curiosity, we're witnessing a moment that could redefine human history. What do you think? Could this be an alien probe, or is it just a really big space rock? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep this cosmic conversation going. As telescopes around the world tracked 3I Atlas, a pattern emerged that made even the most skeptical scientists pause. This wasn't a random tumble through space, like most comets or asteroids. 3I Atlas was following a trajectory so precise it seemed almost engineered, starting with a close pass by Mars on October 2nd, 2025 at 17.5 million miles. It will swing by Earth on December 19th, 2025 at 167 million miles, then zip past Venus at 60 million miles, and finally make a grand finale near Jupiter at 33 million miles. This isn't just a flyby, it's a meticulously planned tour of our solar system's major planets, hitting each one at distances perfect for observation. The statistical odds of this happening by chance are mind-blowingly slim, less than 0.005%. That means if you sent 20,000 random objects through our solar system, only one might accidentally follow a path this perfect. It's like throwing a dart from from across the galaxy and hitting a bullseye the size of a pinhead. And here's the kicker, 3i Atlas's closest approach to Earth will happen when it's on the opposite side of the sun, making it nearly impossible for our ground-based telescopes to get a good look. It's almost as if whatever's guiding this thing wants to watch us without being watched back. This reconnaissance pattern, as some scientists call it, is designed to gather data while staying elusive. The implications are chilling. Either we're witnessing a cosmic fluke or something out there knows exactly what it's doing. This perfect trajectory raises questions that keep astronomers up at night. Could 3i Atlas be a probe sent by an advanced civilization programmed to study our solar system's planets? Or is it just a massive chunk of space debris that got lucky? The debate is heating up and we want to hear from you. Do you think this trajectory is too perfect to be natural? Hit that like button if you're Team Alien and share your theories in the comments. Professor Avi Loab isn't one to make wild claims. With hundreds of published papers and a career studying the universe's deepest mysteries, he's a voice of authority in astronomy. So when he suggested that 3i Atlas could be an alien spacecraft, the world listened. His argument hinges on three key points: the object's size, its speed, and its trajectory. First, its massive scale, 6 to 9 miles across, suggests engineering capabilities far beyond anything nature typically produces. Second, its velocity defies natural explanations, requiring forces we can barely comprehend. And third, its path through our solar system is so precise, it seems designed to maximize observation opportunities. Loab's team proposes that 3i Atlas might be a reconnaissance probe built to study our solar system while avoiding detection. Its trajectory allows it to collect data on Mars, Earth, Venus, and Jupiter, possibly using sensors far more advanced than anything we've got. But here's where things get wild. Loab doesn't think 3i Atlas is just passing through. He suggests it might use advanced propulsion to slow down and enter a stable orbit around our sun, perhaps near Jupiter, where it could lurk undetected, watching humanity's every move. If true, this probe could have been launched 8,000 years ago when humans were just starting to build civilizations. Did our ancestors' first cities or early technologies catch someone's attention out there? The idea is mind-bending, and it's got the scientific community buzzing. What's your take? Could 3i Atlas be a cosmic spy? Subscribe and let us know in the comments. The possibility that 3i Atlas is an alien probe brings us face to face with one of the most unsettling ideas in science: the dark forest hypothesis. Imagine the universe as a vast dark forest, where every rustle could signal a predator. In this cosmic jungle, intelligent civilizations stay silent, hiding their presence to avoid attracting something bigger, badder, and ready to wipe them out. The dark forest hypothesis suggests that the reason we haven't heard from other civilizations isn't because they don't exist. It's because they're staying quiet to survive. Broadcasting your existence, whether through radio signals or visible spacecraft, is like shouting in that dark forest. It might draw friendly explorers, or it might summon something far more dangerous. If 3i Atlas is a probe, its arrival could mean we've already been spotted. Its creators, with technology advanced enough to send a city-sized object across interstellar space, might have capabilities we can't even imagine. Propulsion systems, sensors, maybe even weapons that could threaten entire planets. The timing adds another layer of unease. 3i Atlas began its journey around 8,000 years ago, just as humans were transitioning from hunter-gatherer tribes to agricultural societies, developing writing and building cities. Could our early technological leaps have sent a signal to the stars, drawing the attention of distant observers? If the dark forest hypothesis holds true, 3i Atlas might be the first sign that we're no longer hidden, and that could change everything. What do you think about the dark forest hypothesis? Is it a terrifying reality or just cosmic paranoia? Drop a comment and let's discuss. To understand 3i Atlas, we need to rewind to 2017 when another interstellar visitor shook up our understanding of the cosmos. Oumuamua, meaning messenger from afar in Hawaiian, was the first confirmed object from beyond our solar system. It was strange from the start, no comet tail despite passing just 23 million miles from the sun, and an unexplained acceleration that defied normal physics. Its shape was even weirder, either a long cigar-like structure or a flat pancake-like disc. Unlike any natural object we'd seen, scientists were baffled, and some, including Avi Loab, wondered if it was a scout sent to check out our solar system. system. Now, with 3i Atlas, patterns are emerging. Both objects follow unusual trajectories, lacking the typical traits of comets or asteroids. Both appeared just as our technology became advanced enough to detect them, but not quite good enough to study them in detail. Oumuamua at 330 to 380 feet could have been a lightweight scout zipping through to gather basic data. 3i Atlas, hundreds of times larger, might be the follow-up, a heavy-duty probe sent to dig deeper. The 8-year gap between their visits could have given an advanced civilization time to analyze Oumuamua's data and launch a more ambitious mission. It's a chilling thought. Are we being studied in stages, like a science experiment? If you're intrigued by this possible connection, hit that like button and share your thoughts below. Not everyone's buying the alien hype. Many astronomers argue that 3i Atlas is just a really big comet, not a spacecraft. Recent high-resolution images show a faint glow around the object, resembling the early stages of a comet's tail as ice and gas evaporate under solar heat. As 3i Atlas gets closer to the sun, this glow is expected to brighten, matching the behavior of a typical comet. Its brightness, even at vast distances, suggests a surface of reflective ice crystals, not alien hull plating. Critics also questioned the trajectory argument. Why would an alien probe come no closer than 167 million miles to Earth, twice the distance to the sun, if it wanted to study us? That's a long way for a close-up. Alternative theories are popping up. Some scientists suggest 3i Atlas could be a fragment of a larger body, shattered by a collision, or torn apart by a star's gravity long ago. Others point out that interstellar objects are rare, and we're still learning what normal looks like for them. The debate is fierce, with hard data clashing against bold hypotheses. What's your side, Team Comet or Team Alien? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more cosmic debates. Whether 3i Atlas is a natural wonder or an alien artifact, one thing's certain, it's a scientific goldmine. As only the third confirmed interstellar object, it's a rare chance to study a piece of another star system. The 3i in its name marks it as an interstellar visitor, distinct from the millions of objects orbiting our sun. Each interstellar object carries clues about distant stars, violent cosmic events, and journeys spanning millions of years. Oumuamua taught us what to look for, but it slipped away before we could study it closely. The second visitor, 2i/Borisov, in 2019, acted like a typical comet, offering fewer surprises. 3i Atlas, with its massive size and unique path, is a game changer. Its size means it'll stay visible longer, giving astronomers months to analyze its composition, behavior, and reactions to solar radiation. Its multi-planet tour offers multiple angles for observation, revealing new details with each pass. The timing is perfect too, detected early enough for astronomers to launch a global observation campaign involving ground-based telescopes, space instruments, and unprecedented international cooperation. This is a moment that could redefine our understanding of the universe. Want to stay in the loop as we learn more about 3i Atlas? Hit that subscribe button and join the cosmic journey. The frustration of watching Oumuamua vanish before we could study it sparked a new era of ambition in space exploration. Scientists and engineers are racing to ensure we're never caught off guard again. Project Lyra, originally designed to chase Oumuamua, is being revamped to intercept future interstellar visitors, including possibly 3i Atlas. The challenge is daunting. Catching an object moving at 130,000 miles per hour requires propulsion tech we don't yet have. Lyra's plan involves using gravitational slingshots from Venus, Earth, and Jupiter to boost a probe to speeds up to 163,000 miles per hour. A cosmic pinball game pushing the limits of human ingenuity. Meanwhile, the European Space Agency's Comet Interceptor, set for launch in 2029, takes a different approach. It'll park a spacecraft at Lagrange Point L2, 930,000 miles from Earth, waiting for the next interstellar visitor. When one appears, the craft will race to meet it during its approach, when detailed study is easiest. These missions represent humanity's determination to unravel the cosmos's mysteries, whether they're natural or alien. The race is on and the stakes couldn't be higher. What do you think we'll find when we get a closer look at objects like 3i Atlas? Share your predictions in the comments. The arrival of 3i Atlas isn't just a scientific event, it's a wake-up call for humanity. Whether it's a natural object or an alien probe, its presence forces us to confront profound questions about our place in the universe. For centuries, we've gazed at the stars, wondering if we're alone. Now, with 3i Atlas tearing through our solar system, that question feels more urgent than ever. If this is an alien craft, it suggests a civilization with technology so advanced it could reshape our understanding of physics, engineering, and even consciousness. Imagine the possibilities. Propulsion systems that defy gravity, sensors that can map entire planets in moments, or artificial intelligence that's been observing us since the dawn of human civilization. Such a discovery would spark a global renaissance, pushing us to rethink our technologies, our societies, and our ambitions. But it also carries risks. If the dark forest hypothesis is correct, contact with an advanced civilization could be a double-edged sword, bringing knowledge but also potential danger. The very act of observing 3i Atlas, pointing our telescopes, analyzing its data, might signal our presence to something watching from afar. This moment challenges us to balance curiosity with caution, to weigh the thrill of discovery against the unknowns of cosmic diplomacy. As we stand on the brink of this new era, one thing is clear: 3i Atlas is a catalyst, forcing us to unite as a species, to collaborate across borders, and to prepare for a future where we may no longer be the only ones asking, who's out there? What do you think this means for humanity's future? Drop a comment and let's explore the possibilities together. The race to understand 3i Atlas is driving a technological revolution that could define the next century of space exploration. The limitations exposed by Oumuamua's fleeting visit and the challenges of studying 3i Atlas have lit a fire under scientists and engineers worldwide. Projects like Lyra and Comet Interceptor are just the beginning. Imagine spacecraft equipped with next-generation propulsion, perhaps ion drives, or even theoretical concepts like laser-propelled light sails that could match the blistering speeds of interstellar visitors. These missions require more than engineering. They demand a new level of global cooperation. Observatories from Chile to Hawaii, space agencies from NASA to ESA, and researchers from every continent are pooling data, sharing resources, and coordinating observations like never before. This isn't just about catching up to 3i Atlas. It's about building a future where humanity can actively engage with the cosmos, not just watch it pass by. The technological leaps being made, faster probes, smarter telescopes, and AI-driven data analysis could unlock discoveries beyond interstellar objects, from mapping exoplanets to detecting faint signals of distant civilizations. But there's a human element too. The excitement of 3i Atlas is inspiring a new generation of scientists, engineers, and dreamers, all eager to push the boundaries of what's possible. This is a moment of transformation, where the tools we build to chase 3i Atlas could propel us toward a future where humanity becomes a true spacefaring species. What kind of tech do you think we'll need to catch the next interstellar visitor? Share your ideas in the comments and hit that like button if you're excited for the future of space exploration. Beyond the science and technology, 3i Atlas is a reminder of our shared humanity. This isn't just a story for astronomers or engineers, it's a story for all of us. The questions it raises: are we alone? Are we being watched? What's our place in the universe? Touch on the deepest curiosities of every culture, every generation, as 3i Atlas races toward its rendezvous with Mars, Earth, Venus, and Jupiter. It's uniting people in a way few events can. From social media debates to classroom discussions, from scientific conferences to late-night conversations, this interstellar visitor is sparking a global dialogue. It's a chance to set aside differences and focus on what connects us: our curiosity, our wonder, our drive to explore. Whether 3i Atlas turns out to be a comet or a probe, its legacy will be the way it brings us together, reminding us that we're all passengers on a tiny blue dot hurtling through a vast and mysterious cosmos. This moment is an invitation to dream bigger, to ask bolder questions, and to work together to find answers. As we track 3i Atlas through 2025 and beyond, let's keep the conversation alive. Share this story with friends, join the debate in the comments, and subscribe to stay part of this cosmic journey. Together we can face the unknown, not with fear, but with hope, curiosity, and a shared sense of destiny. What does 3i Atlas mean to you? Let us know below, and let's keep exploring the stars as one human family. The mystery of 3I Atlas's origins is a puzzle that stretches the limits of our scientific imagination, pulling us into a realm where every new piece of data adds layers of intrigue. If we entertain the possibility that this object is a product of extraterrestrial engineering, we're forced to grapple with questions that transcend our current understanding of the universe. What kind of civilization could construct a structure the size of a city and send it hurtling across thousands of light years? The energy requirements alone boggle the mind. Accelerating an object 6 to 9 miles across to 130,000 miles per hour would demand technologies that make our most advanced rockets look like toys. Perhaps it's powered by something exotic, like antimatter propulsion or a form of energy harvesting we can't yet fathom. The structural integrity of such a massive object is another enigma. Surviving the cosmic gauntlet of radiation, micrometeoroids, and gravitational stresses over millennia suggests materials far beyond our current metallurgy or composites. If natural, 3I Atlas could be a remnant of a cataclysmic event in a distant star system, a fragment of a shattered planet, or a rogue moon ejected by a stellar explosion. Yet its pristine condition and precise trajectory challenge this idea. Natural objects tend to bear the scars of their violent births, tumbling chaotically rather than following a path that seems tailored for observation. Scientists are now deploying every tool at their disposal: spectroscopy to analyze its composition, radar to map its shape, and infrared imaging to detect heat signatures that might betray artificial systems. Each datum is a clue, but the puzzle remains incomplete. The timing of its arrival, coinciding with humanity's growing ability to detect such objects, adds a layer of cosmic serendipity, or perhaps intent. Could 3I Atlas be a relic from a long-dead civilization, drifting like a ghost ship, or an active probe still transmitting data to its creators? The answers could redefine our understanding of life in the universe, and the stakes couldn't be higher. What do you think 3I Atlas is made of? Alien tech or cosmic rock? Drop your theories in the comments and hit that like button to keep the cosmic puzzle alive. The arrival of 3I Atlas isn't just a scientific challenge, it's an ethical minefield that forces us to confront the consequences of our curiosity. If this object is indeed an alien probe, what should humanity do next? Should we attempt to communicate, sending signals to announce our presence and curiosity? Or should we stay silent, adhering to the caution of the dark forest hypothesis? The decision carries monumental weight. Broadcasting a message could be the first step toward a transformative exchange of knowledge, opening doors to technologies and philosophies that could propel humanity forward. Imagine learning from a civilization that's mastered interstellar travel. New energy sources, medical breakthroughs, or insights into the nature of consciousness could be within reach. But the risks are equally staggering. A signal could attract unwanted attention, alerting a civilization with motives we can't predict. If 3I Atlas's creators operate under dark forest principles, our outreach might be seen as a threat, inviting a response we're unprepared to face. Even if the object is natural, studying it too aggressively, say with high-powered radar or laser probes, could be misinterpreted by an observing intelligence as hostile intent. On the flip side, doing nothing carries its own risks. If 3I Atlas is a probe designed to test our technological maturity, silence might signal that we're not worth engaging with, missing a once-in-a-millennium opportunity. The global scientific community is already grappling with these questions, with organizations like SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, advocating for cautious exploration, while others urge restraint until we know more. Public opinion is divided too. Some see 3I Atlas as a chance to unite humanity in a bold leap toward the stars, while others fear it could be our undoing. This ethical dilemma extends beyond science to philosophy, culture, and even spirituality, as we wrestle with what it means to be human in a universe that might not be ours alone. What would you do? Send a signal or stay silent? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's debate the ethics of first contact. The discovery of 3I Atlas is doing more than advancing science. It's igniting a cultural revolution that's reshaping how we see ourselves and our future. Across the globe, this interstellar visitor has captured the imagination of artists, writers, filmmakers, and everyday people, sparking a wave of creativity and reflection. Science fiction, once confined to the realm of fantasy, suddenly feels like prophecy, with novels and movies about alien encounters topping bestseller lists and box offices. Social media platforms platforms are buzzing with memes, theories, and artwork inspired by 3i Atlas, from speculative designs of alien probes to poetic musings about our place in the cosmos. Classrooms are abuzz too, as teachers use the object to inspire students in STEM fields, while philosophers and theologians debate its implications for our understanding of existence. Is this a sign of divine creation, a challenge to our beliefs, or a call to embrace the unknown? Cultural festivals are springing up, with communities hosting stargazing events and Atlas watch parties as the object nears its planetary flybys. This moment is rekindling a sense of wonder reminiscent of the Apollo era when humanity first touched the moon. It's also sparking discussions about unity. 3i Atlas doesn't belong to any one nation or culture. It's a shared mystery that transcends borders, reminding us of our common humanity. Yet it's not all starry-eyed optimism. The possibility of alien intelligence has stirred fears too, with some groups warning of apocalyptic scenarios or questioning whether we're ready for contact. This cultural shift is a double-edged sword, amplifying our dreams and our anxieties in equal measure. As 3i Atlas continues its journey, it's becoming a mirror for humanity, reflecting our hopes, fears, and aspirations. It's a chance to reimagine our future, to inspire new generations, and to create art, stories, and ideas that will echo for decades. How is 3i Atlas inspiring you? Share your creative ideas or reactions in the comments, and hit that subscribe button to join this cultural cosmic wave. The arrival of 3i Atlas is more than a scientific curiosity. It's a turning point. Whether it's a comet or a probe, it forces us to confront our place in the universe. Are we alone, or are we being watched? Is the cosmos a friendly place, or a dark forest where silence is survival? As astronomers gather data and engineers push the boundaries of space exploration, humanity stands at a crossroads. The answers we uncover could change how we see ourselves, our planet, and our future among the stars. This story is far from over. As 3i Atlas continues its journey, passing Mars, Earth, Venus, and Jupiter, we'll learn more about its nature and origins. Each observation brings us closer to understanding whether we're witnessing a natural marvel or evidence of intelligence beyond our own. One thing's for sure, this cosmic enigma has captured our imagination, and it's only the beginning. If you're as excited as we are, hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to stay updated on this incredible journey. Together, let's explore the unknown and uncover the secrets of the universe.